We're done. I'm shutting this off. I've got a bucket full of supposed to be fresh water. Looks like slurry to me. I got a pump. I've got electrical tape. I've got duct tape. Forget it. This is gone. That's not on my job site. I'm not getting fined for that. Look at all the slurry. I've got that all over the product, all over my guy, all over this. This is an absolute mess. Wet cutting is not an alternative to dustless technology. What do we have here?
Glad you asked, Pete. This is the brand new IQ MS362. It's a 16-inch masonry dry cut saw for hardscape and masonry.
Okay.
A lot of innovation and a lot of things going on here. It's fully dry cutting, so no water, no dust.
I don't want any water on my jobs. Keep going.
This is what it does. It's got an integrated vacuum system, filter system, and dust containment down here. So at the end of the day, that's where your dust ends up. That's your cleanup at the end of the day. Empty that out into a bag, that's it.
Dispose of it.
You don't have dust all over the landscaping, all over the person. Very clean.
This is part of the filtration system back here?
Yes, it is. So it actually will cut up to 24 inches and 24 inches wide, and up to 5 3/4 inches thick. This scoop back here catches that dust that's coming up on the back side.
Okay.
So it eliminates that little bit of rooster
So
tail.
as you feed this through, this will pivot up as that piece goes through. That's awesome.
Exactly.
How often do you have to spin the filter?
Spin the filter about once per hour.
Okay. And you're capturing
99.5% of the dust.
Wow.
But another thing that makes it really nice is the portability. You see there's actually a caster here on the back. That allows you to tip it up on its back when it's collapsed and wheel it around on concrete, push it into your garage, makes it real compact and portable.
Or in your trailer.
Or your trailer.
Absolutely. And you compress the handle, it goes down.
Yep, I'll show you how you raise it down.
So if
Down
I wanted to
position.
cut from a kneeling position, I'm ready to go.
That's right. Now you're down here, you can move it around, mark your cut, make your cut, place your cut.
Right? All you need is attenuators because it's 99.5% dustless.
That's correct.
What an amazing piece of technology. Thank you, Paul.
All right, thank you.